In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to PDF in Adobe Scan via web. All you need is your computer and a web browser. Start by opening your preferred browser. Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any modern one you're comfortable with will work smoothly. Make sure your internet connection is stable, especially if you're working with large images, as that can affect upload and conversion time. Next, go to Adobe's online image to PDF tool by visiting http://www.adobe.com Acrobat online JPG to PDF ML. This page is designed specifically for turning images into a clean, shareable PDF without any complicated setup. Once you're on the page, you have two simple options to add your images. You can click the button labeled Select a File and choose the image or images from your computer, or you can drag and drop them directly onto the page. The tool accepts common image formats like JPG, PNG, BMP, GIF, and TIFF. If you're uploading more than one image, they'll be combined into a single PDF automatically. A helpful tip for multi-image uploads. If you want them to appear in a particular order in the final PDF, it's easiest to name or select them in that order before you upload, so the sequence is clear. After you add your image or images, the conversion starts automatically. No extra clicks needed. You'll typically see a short progress indicator while Adobe processes the file. This only takes a moment, though very large images or slower connections might add a bit of time. Keep the tab open until the conversion completes to avoid interruptions. When the conversion finishes, you'll see the option to download your new PDF. Click Download and choose where on your computer you want to save it. If you'd like a clear, memorable file name, this is a good moment to rename it in the Save dialog so you can easily find it later. If you uploaded multiple images, remember that they're now neatly combined into one PDF, which is great for sharing a set of photos or scans as a single document. That's all there is to it. Open your browser, head to Adobe's online tool, add your image or images, wait for the automatic conversion, and download your PDF to your PC. This is a fast, reliable way to turn everything from receipts and notes to photos and illustrations into a universally readable format. Keep your original images as a backup if you plan to edit them later, and you're all set.